Hello, good morning everybody. Today I will be talking about our subject, effective oral communication. Today the material is being a trainer. Well, this is the material that everyone is eagerly awaiting because in this material we are taught to be able to communicate well. As for the material, we will divide into several subtopics to namely: the first is the definition of trainer. The second subtopic is trainer responsibility. The third subtopic is useful process in presenting report. And the last but not least is the exercise to train the ability and understanding of this material. For that, let's just start on the first slide about the definition for the trainer. Okay, in this slide, we are talking about the definition trainer. A trainer is a specialist responsible for increasing a company's productivity by teaching new skills and knowledge to employees. A trainer is also a teacher who work in corporate setting to provide education and training to employees. After we know about the definition, the trainer, we can go to the next slide. And the next slide is trainer responsibility. In this slide, we can know about the trainer's responsibility. Common corporate training tasks include: 1. Developing curriculums. 2. Teaching content and skills. 3. Working with leadership to develop coursework. 4. Providing professionals development courses. 5. Monitoring the efficiency of the training. 6. Finding additional professional development opportunities for interested employees. After we know about trainer responsibility and common corporate training tasks include, we can go to the next slide. In this slide, we can explain about useful process as a trainers. The useful process as a trainer, we can say, why do you want this job? Or you can say, what have you learned from mistakes you've made in the past? 3. You can say, what leadership qualities? 4. You can say, can you describing challenge are you looking for in this role? And the last but not least, you can say, what would you consider your most important uh, a time when you resolve conflict in the office? After we know about how being a trainer, about the definition, about the trainer responsibility, and about the useful process of trainer, we must be a good trainer. But before that, I will give you about the conversation sample for being a trainer. The conversation sample is the case about during this pandemic of COVID-19, so many schools that affect from the virus. The government regulation order to all education institution to hold online learning. Unfortunately, several teachers don't I know to operate an online learning course. Miss Desi, head chairman of SMA 99 Batam, ask your company to do teacher training. Therefore, you should arrange schedule that's suitable for the school. Rahmat. Hello Miss Desi, how are you and how have you been? Desi, yeah, hello, I'm fine and I have been so good and how about you? Rahmat, I feel awesome today. Thank you. But before, I want to introduce myself. I am Rahmat from TOT Institution Learning Course. Yesterday, by call, you said that you have a problem with online course. May I know more about your situation right now? Daisy said, yeah, we are facing some problems. We're still not comfortable with this pandemic due to many our teachers do now using laptop or computer to do online learning. Rahmat said, I see. I know how you feel. I want to know how many staff in your school that you need to do the training. Daisy said, actually, we have 20 teachers. I would like to participate all of my teacher. Rahmat said, okay, not Miss Daisy. Based on your problem right now, I think the best training to you is offline training. And of course, we hold protocol. This training will be held one day with 8 hours training. And how about that? Miss Daisy said. That's a good idea. Despite it will be nice to me if the training will be held on Saturday due to I don't want to disturb teacher's job. Ahmad said, of course, we'll organize the training on Saturday next week. Anyway, do you have auditorium or convention center and projector? I mean like if you already have projector, we don't need to bring it. They say, sure, we have convention center. You can use the convention center for training. Ahmad said, literally, we are already set up the agenda. Basically, this training will be about operating system and easy tips and tricks while using laptop or computer. For the details, I will let you know on email tomorrow. They say, oh yeah, thank you very much and that will be nice to meet you and I want to say thank you very much again. Oh yeah, Rahmat said, my pleasure. I'm very happy to have you. Have a nice day. Have a nice day too, Rahmat. Okay, for the conversation, we know about order how to be a trainer. Um, in this slide, we have the exercise, and the exercise have the case is you are working in HR department of company X. You are a trainer for production department. You are going to train new employees for production line next week. Please prepare the presentation slide for your first training day and make your own simple conversation or question with the trainer. Okay, we have to know about the definition, about the useful process, and about the exercise in this matter being a trainer. In conclusion, everyone has the right to be good at being a reliable trainer because this is very train our ability to communicate, influence others. And of course, if this we understand, master and aptly, I am sure the business we life will run well. With this material, it is expected that we can become a good trainer. Thank you very much.